Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a personal dispute with Experian, step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to file a personal dispute with Experian. First, if you don't already have an Experian account, you'll need to create one on the Experian website. If you already have an account, you can skip this step. Next, sign into your Experian account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Start New Dispute and click on it. After that, scroll until you see the section labeled Personal Information. Under this section, click on View All. Now, scroll down the page until you find Personal Statements. Once you see it, click on Add Personal Statement. You'll now see a drop-down menu with different options. From this list, you can select delinquency due to natural or declared disaster if your missed payments were caused by financial hardship, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic. After selecting the appropriate option, click Next. Finally, review the details and click Submit Dispute to complete the process. Keep in mind, if you're selecting a natural or declared disaster like COVID-19, Experian may also require you to submit supporting details by mail to fully explain the situation. And that's it. That's how you file a personal dispute with Experian. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more credit and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.